Good morning and welcome to Koh Tao. Today is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day. Every day we've been here we've had on and off weather, like sometimes a bit of sun, but mainly like really cloudy and really rainy. But Rayna treated me for my birthday to this amazing villa that we've only spent £70 a night on. And it's called Over the Moon Villa. We've stayed here for 3 nights and we've got one more night here and we actually leave tomorrow. We've literally just had a really nice time here, just chill, drove around a little bit of the island and stuff, but we thought today we'll show you guys around. And since we've been here we've had lizards. We've made a friend and this guy is just chilling out on our window. We heard a massive thump whilst we were laying in bed, so I quickly ran and checked outside thinking somebody was out there, and I saw this little guy on the floor, and obviously as you can see he's got no tail. He must have landed awkwardly on his tail from the ceiling all the way up there, and he's obviously chopped his own tail off. It was wiggling around and everything, but look how awesome he is. It's like red and blue. Look at his eyes. We've had a snake on a balcony. We've called him Alfred, doing a little dance to me. We've had geckos in the room because all we can hear all night is them screaming. But it's been really good. I've done a little room tour, so I've got to put that in now. We have a little kitchen area, got loads of pots and pans, got a gas hob, we've got microwave, massive fridge freezer, utensils, everything you need. And you get these massive windows all the way around. Got a really nice table. This is the living room space, and I'll show you outside in a minute. TV has Netflix and everything on it. The world's biggest ironing board. This is our bathroom. It has 2 sinks. Really nice mirror. Waterfall shower. And then you come into the bedroom, which this mattress is the comfiest mattress we've had in all of Thailand so far. And these doors are a bit steamed up because we've had the aircon all night. But just check this out. This is the view we get. We've got this really nice pool. Then we get this amazing view over the sea. Got nice palm trees here. We've got our own sun lounge area. We're going to head out now and we're going to show you around the island.
We're going to get some breakfast from 7-Eleven.
Let's go.
This is when it doesn't start. Doesn't sound very healthy. There we go. We've just been to 7-Eleven to get some breakfast. We've both got toasty and you've got muffin, and we're just on our way to the Love Koh Tao viewpoint where we're going to get a drink. Hello. Hello. Hello.
So we have just sat down and ordered ourselves a drink. I got myself passion fruit juice. Rayna's got herself a Thai milk tea. And you either have to order yourself a drink whilst you're here, or you can pay an entrance fee, which is 20 baht. But we thought it's just nice to have a drink. Got a really nice view.
Nice breeze.
There's a really nice breeze here as well, as you can probably hear. We've seen the chubbiest cat that we've seen since we've been in Thailand so far. We're going to be here for a little bit, and then we're going to head off to a couple of the beaches. So we'll see you in a bit.
We're struggling up these bloody hills.
So we've just parked our bike up and we're just heading down this little pathway. On the way here we almost got killed by dogs.
Oh! Go! Go! Run, go! They're still following us. Oh my god!
We had to go up and down a couple massive hills, but we finally made it, and let's see what this beach is like. So these are Sai Yuan Bays 1 and 2. So there's actually 2 of the beaches, and they're quite small, very nice, very secluded, and there's literally nobody here. We're going to see if we can go find beach number 2 now. Just walking through what looks like it would have used to have been a resort of some sort, and this way leads to beach number 2. Let's go.
Here he is. I have to do some snorkeling with this camera. This is probably our favourite beach that we've been to since we've been here. Craig's doing some snorkeling in the sea, and he said he's seen the best fish that he's seen in the whole of Thailand. There's only 2 other couples here, so it's really quiet. I think it's one of the lesser known beaches in Koh Tao, so I definitely recommend it if you're here. We were just on the beach, Craig was snorkeling, and there's a massive black cloud come over us, so we're running back to the bike to hopefully get back to the villa before it rains, because we didn't bring our raincoats with us and we don't have our stuff in a waterproof bag, so it all gets ruined. Looks like it's going to piss it down. It did start raining, so we were hiding under here for a bit. Oh god.
Just driving, and
As you would have seen,
as we literally left, it started pissing it down.
well, I was saying on the camera we're going to make it in our video just leaving, and it started pissing it down.
So we turned around instantly, and I broke my flipping flip-flop.
It's not broke, but you caught it, so we can fix it. You just have to get that back through there.
2 hours later.
We've literally just got back to the villa. We've cleaned off because it was chucking it down. Today is Valentine's Day, so I thought whilst I was in 7-Eleven getting our lunch, Rayna stayed outside. I thought perfect time to try and find her something nice. Got her these 2 little stones. So this is a really nice little shell that I got her, and then I got her this, which is some coral that I found whilst I was snorkeling. And then for her chocolate, I got her Ferrero Rocher, because she absolutely loves Ferrero Rocher. And then the cutest little thing, Kitty Cat, and it says taste of love and I love you, all for Valentine's Day. How nice is that? We're gonna have our lunch, and then later on we're gonna head out for dinner as well. We're thinking about getting some Thai food recently, especially for my birthday. We ordered like pizza and beers. We'll see you guys at dinner time. Right now we're just getting ready. We're going to head out for some dinner. We're going to a restaurant called Bingo. It's a local Thai restaurant, and we're craving some Thai food. So just finished off getting ready and we're going to head out. Hello. Hello. What's your name? And that's it. That's our time in Koh Tao done. We're actually leaving here tomorrow and we're heading back to Koh Samui. We hope you guys enjoyed a little sneak peek of Koh Tao. It's literally just tiny what we've explored compared to what you can do on this island. Obviously a lot of people come here for diving. We hope you guys enjoyed this video and we'll see you in the next one.